Hey guys, got the 03 Accord V6 5-speed automatic springtime service. We're gonna do the AMSOIL 0W-20, and yeah, it calls for 520, but I've talked about another video, that's what I like to do. And actually it also calls for the red label ATF, but I'm going in with the blue label. I'll talk about that later, but definitely go to my link, number1synthetic.com, and look up your vehicle by year, make, model, and engine. It'll tell you exactly what's recommended. So if you do that at my link, it's gonna tell you the 5W20 along with this filter and the red label ATF. But in any event, whatever you choose to use is up to you. And so we're gonna go ahead and get both of these drained. Most of you probably have a 14 millimeter, but since I have a gold plug, the magnetic plug, it's a 17. Guys, what I like about AMSOIL is options. So I use the Signature series, which is the top of the line, and I change it once a year. But yeah, there's several different options for people who just want to, a full synthetic, 100% synthetic, but they don't want to necessarily do the long drain intervals. Guys, I didn't even look to see what my mileage is on this oil change. I'm almost certain it's between 10 and 15,000 on this AMSOIL Signature, and you can see with my gold plug, that's the fine paste that I wiped off of it. So no metal chunks, just the fine paste. And we'll go ahead and replace this crush washer. All right, got the filter loosened. There's the contraption I use. There's different kind of filter wrenches, but spin it there. Yeah, you can see the AMSOIL. Used to be 15 microns. They're 20 microns, 99%. Got to find that balance between filtration efficiency and oil flow and long life. You can't, you can't have a filter that's super fine that also flows tons of oil and lasts for many, many miles. You got to have some kind of give in one of those areas. Guys, my links are below, number1synthetic.com. And you can look up your vehicle, sign up as a preferred customer, or choose to pay full retail, whatever you want. But I appreciate using my links. Now it's time to break the internet with another filter pre-fill. I like to avoid dry starts. In either event, coat your gasket with oil and make sure the old gasket came off. Yeah guys, these are good for 15,000 or 1 year. If you're a highway warrior, that oil's actually good for 25,000. Still change it at 1 year unless you're gonna send it for oil analysis. Sometimes it takes a minute. Make sure you get your threads proper. They should not be hard to turn. Now once you get it down, you'll feel it get hard to turn, but that's when the gasket is contacting the base. I just go hand tight as hard as I can, pretty much. Nice new crush washer, ensures a good seal. I got the magnet clean, and just get you I got me a cheap set of crush washers off of Amazon, and they're just soft aluminum, and they crush down and make a nice seal. Torque spec should be there at number1synthetic.com when you type in your year, make, model, and engine. I just do it by hand. 30 foot-pounds is probably a good ballpark for most oil plugs. Don't over tighten it. Alright guys, Honda makes it easy on the transmissions. A 3/8 square drive is all you need. So, sorry, this is on the other side of the car, but you can see it just kind of fits in there. And then hopefully yours hasn't been over tightened. Mine shouldn't be, because I just did it last year. Woo! All right, let me put the camera down. Mine was nothing crazy. I just had to get 2 hands on it. Now this has its own crush washer, but my kit, I think, has it. Now look at that fluid. That doesn't even look bad. So that's a good sign. We're getting there. I've been changing it with the AMSOIL. Actually, look how good that fluid looks. I've lost count of the number of times I've drained and filled this, but that is actually starting to look really good. Woo, that looks nice. All right, and then here's a Honda magnetic plug. I don't see anything terrible on it, but we are gonna wipe it off. We'll let this thing drain, but I'm really impressed. So guys, that's the AMSOIL Signature Series. You know, I'm really impressed with that. Here's the plug cleaned off with a new crush washer, and that's what I wiped off. Again, no metal chunks. I guess you'd call that normal wear. And this transmission has 254 on it, I think, original. And engine as well, all original. I say this every video, but gotta get me some rubber gloves. You don't want this stuff soaking in your skin. But anyway, we'll get this in. Again, you don't need to go crazy on the torque. Just use your, you're just crushing that aluminum crush washer. Is all you're doing. Here's a look from the other side. So this is looking towards the passenger side of the car under the transmission. You can pick some of this up and maybe some fuel additives, different things to get yourself to the threshold for free shipping, $100. All right, we'll clean everything up. All right, so we're gonna go in with the AMSOIL. Trying to film this and pour. We got a super tiny funnel here. All right. So yeah, let me know in the comments, guys, what kind of oil you use and why. And I like the AMSOIL Signature Series. I like running the best stuff I can get, best oil and filter, and not having to mess with it for a year at a time. But that's just me. All right. You guys don't need to watch all of this. Made in the USA, guys. Superior, Wisconsin. All right, let me wipe this filter out, and then I'll show you how I fill the transmission. Funnel, I mean, if I called it a filter. But anyway, we're gonna pull out the dipstick right there. And this is a turkey baster. If you can find one that's got, this size of a tip on it, it's gotta be really small. It'll sit right in the dipstick tube, but you gotta fill it very, very slowly, or it'll kick back on you and come out. The other option is up in there, there's a fill plug, but this car has the ATF Jet Kit, which was a recall. It was a big deal back in 03. They were having transmission failures. It's down there somewhere. I've documented it in other videos. And I have done a full, there's a filter down there that you can change on the transmission. I've done a full video on that, so I'm not messing with it this time though. I want to give credit. There's somebody on YouTube that shared this little tip with the turkey baster, but I don't remember who it was. So anyway, but you do have to pour it very slow, because that's a real thin dipstick tube down there. I don't know why it won't focus on it, but So anyway, this is how I'm going to do it, real slow. So AMSOIL's transmission fluid is the first product of theirs I ever used. I used the old red label on a 0W Chevy Cavalier. It's in some of my older videos, but sadly I wasn't filming for YouTube back when I became an AMSOIL dealer in 07. I wish I was. Got a lot of good content that I missed. It's hard to film by yourself, guys, but there it is going in real slow. Just take your time, because if it backs out on you, hopefully you got some extra on hand. 3 quarts, I think it's 3.1 officially. So again, to find the right trans fluid for your vehicle, go to my links down below and put in your year, make, model, and engine, and you'll get a list. They got the red label, which is the older style. They got the blue label, which is like your Dexron 6, your Toyota WS, and got the green label, which is like the Mercon ULV.